trust and relationship is like a building and its foundation. The strength of the foundation determines the strength of the building. And that is how it is in a relationship. The level of your trust determines the length and the strength of that relationship. The level of your trust determines the strength and the length of that relationship. And just as it is with a collapsed building, what it takes to rebuild, the cost is more than what it takes to build a fresh building. That is how it is with a trust. In fact, in most cases, a trust that is breached, a trust that was once betrayed, can never be regained. To be on a better side, it is always better you do what it takes for your partner to keep trusting you. To keep trusting you. Because once that is being breached, it takes time for that partner to still, accept that fact that he can still rebuild that trust in you. That is a clear picture of how it looks like when there is no trust in a relationship. You struggle to fix a broken relationship. But where there is trust, you see there is this mutual understanding between the both partners. Don't look for rejoining. Don't look for an amendment. As much as possible, whatever it will take, try and avoid anything that can cause distrust between you and your partner. Knowing the kind of trauma you go through, when your partner, they need to not trust you anymore. Do all it takes within your power to make sure that you don't breach that trust.